As we age, the importance of maintaining strong, healthy legs cannot be overstated. Our legs support us through every step, granting independence, stability, and confidence in daily life. For adults over 60, preserving leg strength is not only about physical fitness, but also about maintaining the freedom to enjoy life's activities, from walking in the park to playing with grandchildren, traveling, or simply moving around the house with ease. Yet, with advancing years, many individuals notice a decline in muscle mass, a weakening of the bones, and an overall reduction in mobility. Fortunately, science has illuminated some of the most effective strategies to counteract these changes. And among them, ensuring optimal intake of certain essential vitamins stands out as both simple and profoundly impactful. Let's delve into the 3 key vitamins that play a pivotal role in regaining and maintaining leg strength for those over 60. Vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin C. Understanding how these nutrients work in the body, recognizing signs of deficiency, and knowing how to incorporate them into your daily routine can empower you to take charge of your health and vitality. First, consider the central role your legs play each day. They're not merely a means of getting from point A to point B. They provide the foundation for balance, agility, and stamina. With every decade, muscle mass and bone density naturally decrease. This process, called sarcopenia, affects everyone, but can be slowed or even partially reversed with the right approach. While regular exercise and a balanced diet are foundational, the addition of 3 specific vitamins can accelerate your journey back to strong, reliable legs. Let's start with vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is unique in that our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. This vitamin is crucial for calcium absorption, and calcium is the mineral that forms the backbone of our bones. Without adequate vitamin D, even a calcium-rich diet may not be enough to keep bones strong and muscles functioning properly. For older adults, especially those over 70, the recommended daily intake of vitamin D is 800 international units. However, many factors can make it challenging to maintain these levels as we age. Reduced outdoor activity, the use of sunscreen, and changes in skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D all contribute to deficiencies. A lack of vitamin D manifests in ways that directly impact leg strength, muscle weakness, bone pain, and an increased risk of falls. The connection is clear. Without sufficient vitamin D, your muscles simply cannot contract as efficiently, and your bones become more fragile, making you more susceptible to fractures. Fortunately, there are multiple ways to enhance your vitamin D status. Spending even short periods outdoors, such as a 15-minute walk in the morning sun, can help. Dietary sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as milk, orange juice, and cereals. For those who have difficulty getting enough through food and sunlight, perhaps due to dietary restrictions or limited mobility, supplements provide a safe and reliable option. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting supplementation, as excessive intake can have adverse effects. But why is vitamin D so effective at boosting leg strength specifically? The answer lies in its dual role. Firstly, it supports the absorption of calcium, thereby ensuring that bones remain dense and less prone to breakage. Secondly, vitamin D directly influences muscle function at the cellular level, helping muscle fibers contract and generate force. In clinical studies, older adults who increased their vitamin D intake experienced measurable improvements in muscle performance, balance, and a reduction in the likelihood of falls. This translates into more confident walking, climbing stairs with ease, and a lower risk of injury from slips or stumbles. Next, let's turn our attention to vitamin B12, a nutrient often overlooked but absolutely essential for those seeking to regain leg strength. Vitamin B12 is pivotal for the health of the nervous system and the production of red blood cells. As we age, the body's ability to absorb vitamin B12 from food diminishes, primarily due to decreased production of stomach acid and intrinsic factor. both of which are needed to extract B12 from animal products. As a result, deficiency becomes increasingly common in those over 60. So what does vitamin B12 have to do with your legs? The answer lies in nerve health. Vitamin B12 is essential for the maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds nerves. This is particularly important for the nerves that signal your leg muscles to move. When B12 levels drop, nerves become damaged, leading to sensations of numbness, tingling, or weakness in the legs. Over time, this can progress to difficulty walking, clumsiness, and even a loss of balance. Additionally, vitamin B12 supports the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, including to your leg muscles. Well-oxygenated muscles are stronger, more resilient, and recover faster from activity. Without enough B12, muscles become fatigued more quickly, and recovery is slower. The recommended daily intake for adults over 50 is 2.4 micrograms. Because B12 is found almost exclusively in animal products, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, vegetarians, vegans, and those with digestive issues are at higher risk of deficiency. If you suspect you might be low in vitamin B12, watch for signs such as persistent fatigue, unexplained weakness, tingling or numbness in the legs, and difficulty with balance. Blood tests can confirm a deficiency, and your healthcare provider can recommend appropriate supplementation. In many cases, oral supplements are sufficient, but in cases of severe deficiency or absorption problems, injections may be necessary to restore healthy levels. The impact can be dramatic. As nerves recover and red blood cell counts improve, many people report a renewed sense of energy, steadier walking, and a return of strength in their legs. Finally, let's explore the role of vitamin C, a vitamin best known for its immune-boosting properties, but equally vital for muscle and connective tissue health. Vitamin C is the cornerstone of collagen synthesis. Collagen is the primary protein in connective tissues, ligaments, tendons, and the matrix that surrounds muscles. Without adequate vitamin C, your body cannot effectively repair and maintain these tissues, leading to a gradual weakening of the structures that support your legs. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are more prevalent with age and physical activity. For men, the recommended daily intake is 90 milligrams, and for women, it's 75 milligrams. While deficiency is rare in developed countries, suboptimal levels may still impair muscle recovery and contribute to slower healing after exercise or minor injuries. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are well-known sources of vitamin C. But did you know that strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and kiwi are also rich in this nutrient? Including a variety of these foods in your daily meals can provide more than enough vitamin C to support collagen production and muscle health. If dietary intake is insufficient, or if increased demands are present, such as during periods of heavy exercise or recovery from injury, supplements can help fill the gap. Vitamin C doesn't just help you recover more quickly from muscle soreness or strains, it also plays a preventive role. By maintaining the integrity of connective tissues, it helps stabilize joints, reduce the risk of injuries, and support the overall function of muscles. For older adults, this means fewer setbacks from minor injuries and a smoother, more active lifestyle. To bring all of these elements together, consider how a deficiency in any one of these vitamins can create a domino effect. Weak bones from low vitamin D increase the risk of falls. Impaired nerve function from low B12 makes walking unsteady. And inadequate vitamin C slows the healing of the muscles and connective tissues that keep you moving. Conversely, when these nutrients are present in optimal amounts, they create a synergy that supports not only leg strength, but also overall vitality. Let's imagine what a day might look like when these vitamins are part of your routine. You wake up after a restful night's sleep, feeling refreshed and energized. Your morning begins with a gentle stretch, and you notice your legs feel steady and responsive. Breakfast includes a bowl of oatmeal with sliced strawberries and a glass of fortified orange juice, delivering a healthy dose of vitamins C and D. Later, a midday walk in the sunshine helps boost your vitamin D, while a lunch of grilled salmon or a spinach and egg salad provides both B12 and additional vitamin D. Throughout the day, you feel more confident in your movement. Tasks that once felt daunting, such as climbing stairs, tending to the garden, or walking to the mailbox, now seem manageable and even enjoyable. Your muscles recover more quickly from activity, and you notice fewer aches and pains. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's the real-world impact of meeting your body's nutritional needs. Of course, vitamins alone won't turn back the clock entirely. The most effective approach to regaining leg strength combines nutrition with regular physical activity, especially exercises that target the major muscles of the legs. Simple routines, such as standing calf raises, squats, or gentle resistance training, can amplify the benefits of optimal vitamin intake. The key is consistency. Small efforts repeated daily yield impressive results over time. It's also important to recognize that everyone's needs are unique. Age, medical history, lifestyle, and dietary preferences all influence how much of each vitamin you require. For example, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as osteoporosis, diabetes, or gastrointestinal disorders, may have higher needs or require specific forms of supplementation. This is why consulting with a healthcare provider before starting new vitamins or supplements is essential. Your provider can recommend blood tests to assess your current levels, suggest the right dosage, and monitor your progress to ensure safety and effectiveness. In conclusion, regaining leg strength after the age of 60 is not only possible, it's within your reach. By focusing on 3 cornerstone vitamins, vitamin D for bone and muscle function, vitamin B12 for nerve health and energy, and vitamin C for connective tissue and muscle recovery, you can build a foundation for stronger legs, greater mobility, and a more active, independent life. These nutrients, readily available through a balanced diet or high-quality supplements, offer a safe, effective way to support your body's changing needs. The journey to stronger legs begins with awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your current habits. Are you getting enough sunlight? Is your diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins? Have you noticed any signs of fatigue, weakness, or balance issues that might signal a deficiency? These small questions can lead to big changes. With each step you take, literally and figuratively, you're investing in your health, your independence, and your enjoyment of life. Remember, age is just a number. Vitality is a state of mind and body. By nourishing your body with these essential vitamins, you're giving yourself the best possible chance to stay strong, steady, and active for years to come. So, embrace the power of nutrition, make mindful choices each day, and step confidently into a future of renewed strength and freedom.